This is a quick video showing you how to use the new Shibarium bridge on Shibarium beta testnet. This video assumes the following. You know how to set up the Shibarium beta testnet on your wallet. I'm using a different wallet called SafePal, but most of you will use MetaMask. If you don't know how to add the Shibarium network to your MetaMask wallet, please review the documents in the docs.shibariumtech.com website. Now, we'll proceed with the bridging. So today I will use the bridge to transfer Bone from the Goeli ETH testnet to the Shibarium beta testnet. None of these assets have any value. They're purely for testing purposes. So please do not transfer your real assets. Only use test assets, please. Thank you. So I will be transferring 3 Bone tokens from the Ethereum testnet to the Shibarium beta testnet. So all I need to do is select the pull down menu next to the token, and you get a little pop-up dialog box, and it lists all the tokens transferable from the Goeli testnet to Shibarium beta testnet. We are only interested in Bone at the moment, so I will go ahead and select Bone. And as you can see, my balance is updated, showing I have 3.14 Bone. So I will be transferring 3 Bone. So I go into the field and type in 3. As you can see, it tells me on my puppynet or Shibarium beta testnet, I have a balance of 1.9 Bone. And it also tells me you will receive 3 Bone on the puppynet chain. The puppynet chain is the same as the Shibarium beta testnet. And if you scroll further down, it gives you a quick summary of what happens in the Shibarium bridge. Transfer overview. The deposit process consists of a single transaction. Transfer time. Moving of funds from Ethereum to Shibarium take up to 20 to 30 minutes. Delegation/staking advice. Delegation/staking takes place on Ethereum. Do not deposit funds to Shibarium for this purpose. So with those warnings and quick caveats out of the way, let's go ahead and complete the transfer. So I'll push the transfer button. Again, you get the little dialog box explaining some things to be aware of. So it says, please note what isn't possible. Delegation to validators. You cannot delegate or stake on the puppynet network. You may do that on the Goeli network. You can stake funds here. What's possible? Moving funds from Goeli to puppynet. Here, you can move funds from the Goeli network to puppynet network on the puppynet chain or Shibarium beta testnet. This will take 20 to 30 minutes. So I'll go ahead and select the continue button. And the first dialog box is giving me the transfer overview. So I'll go ahead and read. It says there are 2 transactions in the deposit process. Estimated total gas required for these transactions. So the first step is to approve the deposit. And as you can see, it's costing $0.000167. I'll press continue. Yeah, it says I don't have enough Goeli ETH to pay for the gas fee. So I will have to get more Goeli and I'll return back.